I want to tell you something that might sound strange coming from someone who teaches simplicity. For years, I've traded a complicated system, market structure, supply and demand zones, all the smart money concepts you probably heard of if you spent any time in this industry. And it worked. It took 5 months of applying that system before I passed the funding challenge with it. 5 months of screen time, manual analysis, and genuinely difficult decision making. It was slow, it was subjective, it required me to be present and reading the chart constantly. But it wasn't broken, it was working. But here's the part that might surprise you. I didn't leave that system because it failed. I left it because I believed I could build something better. I went looking for a simpler, faster, easier, to replace something that I already had. What followed was genuinely one of the hardest periods of my trading life. I built strategy after strategy, switched between them, doubted all of them. Nothing had the track record the old system had, because I hadn't given anything the time to earn one. I opened a can of worms, and it took a long time to close it again. Here's what I actually learned from that. It was never really about simple versus complicated. My old system wasn't the problem. The problem was abandoning something proven for something unproven, without patience, without evidence. Just believing that I could make something that's me. Simplicity isn't the absence of work, it's the result of doing a lot of it. My system exists because I backtested it thousands of times before I trusted it with a single real trade, not because I assumed simple automatically meant better. If something is genuinely working for you, respect that before you replace it. Don't spend years collecting strategies, spend months mastering one.